Hello, this is John Peterson with Devlari, and today we're going to cover the Yoast SEO plugin, and in particular the meta description functionality and also the excerpt functionality that's built in to WordPress. Now, today we'll be testing against version 3.34 of the Yoast SEO plugin, and we're also running version 4.5.3 of WordPress. Now, we're going to jump straight over to the blog here. And we've got a couple of blog posts. The first is Who Can Say No to Pizza? The second, We're Delivering to Oklahoma. We can see that both of these blog posts are uniform in size. We've got a little ... at the end there, and that ... shows us this is the auto-generated blog post has been cut off, or the excerpt is auto-generated excerpt, I should say, has been cut off. And if we wanted to read the full page, we would click the Continue Reading button. Now, let's go ahead and jump into the post for Who Can Say No to Pizza. We've got a blank meta description here. We've got a blank excerpt. Now if I fill in the excerpt field, hit update, and then reload my blog page, the excerpt is now short enough to where we don't need the ellipsis or ... at the end. And everything looks great here. Now if we go to Yoast, check out the meta description plugin, well, looks like things are a bit too long. Well, search engines and Google in particular want a much shorter meta description. In particular, Google likes to see meta descriptions around 156 characters, or something that's, a maximum width of 933 pixels. Now, if I go in and try to paste the same meta description that we used, or the same excerpt that we used before, into the meta description, we can see it's too long. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to cut some content. Now, we can cut really anything. This is really just a demo. And so we'll just go ahead and cut off the end here. Hit Close Snippet Editor. And then we have a custom snippet or a custom meta description for Google and other search engines. We've also got an excerpt that will work for our blog pages. So whether you're using excerpt or meta descriptions, that's up to you. My recommendation would be to use a separate meta description that's crafted for search engines and use an excerpt that's crafted for your blog. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please click a thumbs up, and thank you for your time.